mo banggen na mo nunga bangale ala ip nga na vai mo ai zong na short speed ai zong testimony ai zong khat beu amai la no ai zong mate mon pi zo chiang ina tang sum mung ina la tong king khol le chi na ngwang niai le mon pi khu ben na to ngwang niai gwai
Ang samparing sa kang eh. Ayo. Kwan nak ul hiben. No will take kang ayo drum sung pen lumma mai cha. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I'm assigning to Nitak, New Year's Eve, niya tungen na hun neo, short speech, hong pian how tunga le kang nau tunga lungdam hong ko masanwaming. Ira to ni tak service thing kang nau te tunga hong apahi pol pite tunga zong lungdam hong ko naming. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, to Kipan Pak Laudia. Yeah, a little intro, Ginny. So, this mic is a little loud, but Chris, for me, it's like ringing back. Tuni tak, ka short speech ding, question tong kipan masaning. So 3 questions. So question cut tukum sung 2025 tol ni ila som ni ila nga sunga pasyan to na hun lag bang za hiam. So kum cut sunga ni zatum le som guk le nga to sunga nai tul gya le za sagi la som guk sunga nakalam khang to net ding bang na hiu hiam. Okay, and then second question, nalung tang sunga bang to kidim sak na yam. Mang pao ang lang, what do you fill your heart with? And then third question, tu lo mi kat in nang kya nga Christian nahi na hong lak kyain hong chile nang bang chi dong ding. Ai kể lẽ Christianity na chỉ bằng hiam. Ai kể lẽ he Christian too, he is Jesus too ông nghe đến các cái kia rõ na đình ông nghe đến ông chỉ lẽ na gen thấy tạm mà he question te pen to be support mind ma tu kum sung 2025 sunga nang le nang nakipwa pading ma nakalam akang te na ding pasyan to nakinay te na ding naon bang hi nei wam to kong don nop na pen ton jingjang hitamo next year ong piang ta ding so pasyan kya nga ya tukum nang ading ang pekhet zoing ai kele nang to hun kalak the na ding han cham ing chen again ngam diam right ina mang pa to jong to mang hel lang po khat khang no te anung khong an ki mol mol the chang right so I'll say it all the questions again, right? And I want us to remember these 3 questions, as I go through my short speech tonight, right? First question, what have you done in this year, right, to get closer to God? In 1 year, there is 365 days, and in those 365 days, there are 8,760 hours. Have you given at least 1 hour to God? or even 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 10. And then second question, right? What have you filled your heart with? Okay? Third question, if a non-believer were to come to you and say, tell me about Christianity, let's see if you can change me, you can convert me, what will you say? How will you respond to those questions? Right? So, tunika topic ding. Today's topic is having a Christian heart. Right? And what does that mean? So, in order to demonstrate, bang pao pai, the he tu kong ge na ding pen he demonstration mo illustrations on lak noming. He pen in lung tang dan mo, and mang pao he pen sponge. It's a sponge, right? A pao pen sponge lian ke na ayang hoop te mo na hoop te, ba le quang sop na en zang mo. And so, if I were to squeeze the sponge now, nothing comes out. And as such, if I were to come up to you, right, and squeeze your heart, right, talk to you on a deeper level, will you be able to flow? Right? Doon nalungtang sunga bang maom ke le bang mang puswak telo ma, just like the sponge is dry bang maom lo. Okay, isunga ka om ke le ka to kidim ke le pasyan kamal to kidim ke le. Doon a third question kong dora mo tu lo mi kare nong pai na up na ong challenge le nang bang gending. So as such, na sunga kamal na lungtang sunga pasyan kamal ke le na puswak da ding bang maom lo. Right? There's nothing for you to give out. There's nothing flowing out because there's nothing inside. Now, watch this. Here noon. So, he tui pen pasyan kamal chini ma. Pasyan kamal ahoy tu teng ma ka chini kasyan to. So in here, ilung tang pen pasyan kamal sunga ay kele pasyan present sunga pina sunga kidia dia leng bango chiring. Right? Now, if I were to squeeze the sponge, it flows out, right? So once again, let me do it again, because this is cool. So it's a sponge. It absorbs everything that it's around, right? If it's in water, it will absorb water. Juice, it will absorb juice. And this sponge is a lot like our heart, right? Ilong tang to kibang mo hi sponge pen. Asunga ikoy to, idim sakto pen, that's what's gonna come out, right? Dun pasyan kamal tok dim sak leng, ilong tang pan pasyan kamalong puswak ding, right? Ilong tang sunga kasyang to le, na pao tak siyang na dan, na gam tat dan, zong ki keling mo. It's gonna show Christ. So when people look at you, they won't see, oh, dun kay bang mo. For example, I don't want people to see Muan, right? I don't want people to see Pao Muan. I want them to see Jesus when they look at me, right? That's the ultimate goal on earth, right? To be Christ-like doesn't mean that I want to be God. Like I don't want to have his power. That's not what I mean. To be Christ-like, it means having his characteristics, right? Tun pasian dan Jesu dan hinwaming swak naming ichi chang amai power hilo mo amai pasian hi na hilo amai character mo. Tun pasian kamal sunga dia leng ong puswak ding pen pasian kamal ma. All right. So I want to look at Luke chapter 6, verse 45. Can you put that up on the projector? Thank you. A good man brings good things out of the good stored up in his heart, and an evil man brings evil things out of the evil stored up in his heart. For the mouth speaks what the heart is full of. Mi hoi pa in alung sim sunga tu hoi om teng hong swa kya a mi gilo pa in alung sim sunga agi lo na teng hong swa kya hi bahang hiam chi le mi te pen amao lung sim sunga o om bang bang a hong pao kya u a hi. Right? So let's go back to my question. The question kong do atum na pai ki kleng. Tu lo mi karin nang kyang ong pai ding na Christianity to ong genin ong chile na belief pen ong challenge le na sunga pasyan ka malom kela nang nagening lo na don dan ding lo ding nang aring hak sakik ding, right? Nang na mai zum lel ding, because I've also experienced that. Kong gen na chu pen bang im che ken jong to kang i mo kalom te jong kwa neo lai pekina ken Christian swak sap nom yang ka sunga pasyan ka malom lo e chang igen tak ding tak chang ong puswak hello amo a kel te na chang ding ong puswak te lo bang yam chele ka sunga lo, right? To bang ma whatever is inside your heart is what you're going to speak out. And this is also true for saying cuss words, right? Kampao hui lo kong, igen ting zong mo. Isunga nin bek pekom le nin bek pekong puswak hitting, right? For example, right here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, food coloring, mo. Don't heat food coloring pen, only one drop, right? One drop back a koi, you know. Eyang hi one drop pen. Kalung sim sunga koi ding mo. Kalung sim dim sak ding, kalung tang dim sak le. Sooner or later it's gonna spread. Right? Sooner or later, a sort na chang nalung tang avek pia ong covering. Right? The more you put unforgiveness, right? Mi mo mai sak te lo na ai ke le na lung get na lung kim na a hoi lo te pasyan kam mal lo teng hipa. Tun one thing, right? Na lung sim sung peka na lung tang sung peka sum nga ding ai ke le ko le now kasangam kanu le pa te ending ai kela ka zile tateng ka ednang bangale na semning to pa tu ni pelpiang ke gimloing chiding zinchang to pa tu ni overtime ong sem sake sorry or maybe next time to pa ka bil kiching lo na ka hi na ding chim mo ing kalom te kyang vapai pak ning ina asum khong baning chidan khong mo, like whatever the excuse may be that gets you away from reading the word, right? Bang excuse pasyan kyangan again mo amay kamal asim lo nang ay kele pasyan to tunget te lo nang to bek pasyan kamal simlo in tua te heating hilang. A so na chang that one drop is gonna fill up your heart. right? All it takes is one excuse. Tom nếu chích excuse to cái bản mò. Nhân dòng thầy bang em chỉ lại, nung cũng soạn tên không à dòng, tàu ba kiến sung cái sầm loài, Sunday bell, bia kiến hima service mà, yang phải zo cái ding kabil cái chỉ trang cái sáng, sung cái piak na đi ngom cái, na xem những chi, na xem. Yang tua ni khát na cái xem pen, over time, every Sunday cái na xem xóa khai. And then, kapan, ông hô bị cứu tài, tòa chuyện. Kapan, ông bay na, Muan hi đàn về piang non kế chè. Bang em chè Sunday, church nông bay lộ tầm lộ ta, ông chi mò. Why? Because that one small excuse was a repetitive thing, right? Ông piang ta. Ina, aso na chang kalung tang sunga, pasian om nolo. Pasien kamalom na lo sum nga ding bet mum tamo. So now, kalung tang hit sung tenga kidia tamo. And now look at my heart. Don't nakolo. Kalung tang en leo chin. Ong blue gold mang tai. It's not bright pink anymore like it used to, right? This is not the color. Atam zo ilung tang pen. Hira nai ve. Ung siang thau no lo mo. Lung nat na hitale. Unforgiveness ai kele boy na tom. Tengom tai da. Tua teng to nang lung nom the lo ding. Right? Because of this, every chance you get, nagam pao ting, nagam tat ting, he na bet pe kong puswak ting ma. It's just like the sponge. So now. Don't it take we should know, right? It take why ma. Satan in na sep zia ma. Again, tom again lang. Satan in pen hell gam. Ông tuần na đi ông cài hilo, ông cài nó giống hilo, right? Aman ông cài hilo. Aman pen van tung gam na tung thệ lo na ding, pasyan to na gam la ding, toy ve de. That's his goal. We need to know how he thinks, right? And pen Satan in hell gam ông cài nó hi chi. No, it's not. Le pen hell gam kiswak le lia. If pasyan to ki gam la le hell gam apai de his. That's not his goal. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. No, nalung sim sunga ko idan leo chin. Pasyan to nagam la take na ding pasyan ong hi. Alo, Satan nong hi ding. All right. So because of that, Proverbs alian li anel som ni la tum. Pao na kalian li anel som ni la tum. In English, above all else, guard your heart, for everything flows from it. Right? Epawa hile, nalung sim ngai sut nate, nun tak na nga na kia, na nei saman papen bangin na kem dinga hi. This is why the Bible tells us to guard our heart. Hi hanga pasyanin, I nung tang ikep ding, dei mo. Bangyam chile everything na kempel pen ilung tang to kipan masa. So my second question, right? Next year, Xinjiang, hitaring, nalung tang bang to kidim sak nom ni hiam. All right, and next year, Chang, 2026 kumsung, pasyan to ikinai take na ding, han cham leng, chia. On Kai Kom Ming. And that will be all for my today. Lung dam po mai.